Hi y'all, how are you doing today? Here's another test for you. This is an actual test. As you know, I'm just doing the voiceover. So this test that my pupil did, as you can see the date there, it says the 27th of the 2nd, and this test was 12/18. This test, unfortunately, he was not successful. He had a few minor faults. I think he had like four minors, and he did indeed have one serious. Watch the video, see if you guys can see the one serious, and then that would actually help you. As you know, if I'm silent, it just simply means that we're just observing, or I'm just observing. So exiting the car park, turning left. I cannot reiterate enough. Please pause, look both sides. As you can see, my pupil did not do that on this occasion. Fortunately for him, there was nothing coming, so that's why he got away with it. At the end of the road, we are going to be turning right. Remember, when they come out the test center, they will always get you to turn left, and then you can go left or right at the end of the road. So he has turned right now, as you can see, onto Birdbrook Road. And there we're going to be following the road ahead, please. Please, guys, remember this is not a runabout. You can see the giveaway sign there. You can see the giveaway on the floor. It is just a normal crossroad, and it's just making sure that you look right, left, in front, right, left as well. This is very, very important. Oftentimes, people mistake that junction for a actual roundabout. So please be careful when you come down that road. You should always prepare to look right ahead, left ahead, right again, because it's not a roundabout. And we are going to be taking the next road and the right, please. And we are going to be taking the next road and the right, please. And we're going to be parking up on the left in a safe place. Drive on when ready, please. End of the road, we're turning right, please. End of the roadway, turning left, please. And at the roundabout, we're turning right, taking the fifth exit, please. Right, fifth exit. Traffic light, we're following the road ahead, please. So with this junction, you should always be careful because you can see the markings on the floor just there to the left. You should always move away from it. Try not to drive into those arch markings. Always move away from it. And we're going to be parking up on the left in a safe place, please. So at this point is when we do the moving off at an angle. So we on this occasion, the examiner will clearly state that you should ignore the drive. Do not worry about the drive on this occasion because they want you to move off at that angle. Every test that you do, they will always ask you to park behind the car, leaving a car's length away, and then move off. So they're just checking to see if you can move the car off under full control while steering simultaneously. Traffic light, we are going to be following the road ahead, please. So straight ahead at the traffic light. And we're going to take the next road on the left, please. And park on the left in a safe place for me, please. And drive on when ready, please. And park on the left in a safe place for me, please. So here we can see on the same road, the examiner asked him to park up twice. So the first one that he parked, he just went over to the drive a little bit more than he needed to. So he was kind of blocking the drive. So the examiner just wanted to see what he would do at the next time of asking to park. End of the road, we're turning left, please. Now, whenever you turn left onto Mammoth Drive, please have a very good look and look at the lampposts, etc. If you look here, you can see it's 40 miles an hour. So that is very important. So you've left one road and you've joined another. Please have a good look, scan the road properly to see if the speed limit changes. Now, when you go further down, the speed limit will change again to 30 miles an hour. Again, it's very important that when you see this 30 miles an hour, have a look in your center mirror to make sure you can see how you slowing down. How does it impact other road users behind you? So you will soon see the speed limit change to 30 miles an hour. Traffic light, we're turning right, please. So again, as I often say, an approach to new roads, if you look, can you see the speed limit changing? It's now 40 miles an hour. However, if after turning you see a new sign, that's now the speed limit for that road. As we can see as we're waiting at the traffic light, ask yourself how many vehicles are in front of you. On this occasion, we can see that there are two vehicles that's in front of us. So therefore, when these two vehicles goes over, what should we do? Should we follow them, or is it possible that we should wait behind the line? So these are questions that you're asking yourself. I often say, try not to be number three vehicle. Now, on this occasion, we can see that the junction, to be fair, it is quite a wide junction. So you can see my pupil went over. Personally, I wouldn't have gone because look at this situation here. You can see he's going there with that vehicle coming through. He barely escaped it. He got a minor for observation. Had that vehicle been coming a little bit quicker, then he would have been in trouble. So, where possible, try to wait behind the line if there are two vehicles in front of you. So, if the light were to change, you're not caught out in the middle or anything like that. So at this part of the drive-in is where the independent driving started. The pupil was asked to follow sign to West Bromwich, so he's following sign to West Bromwich from this point. As you can see from the board, there is sign to West Bromwich actually to the left. So it's the left first exit at the runabout is where you go towards West Brom. But now you can see the speed changes to 30 miles an hour. Now, it is very, very important that when coming around the roundabout, you have a good look to see if there are any difference in speed changes. So now when we're coming around, have a look at this for me now. Look up into the left here. Look, what do you notice? Bingo, 40 miles an hour. So once you're turning left, then you want to make sure that you have a look to see if there are any new changes in speed. Now, in terms of my pupil, in this occasion, again, he received a minor. What do you think about his lane positioning? That's correct. He has actually remained in the right lane for too long. There was plenty of time for him to come back over to the left lane. So he actually got a minor for this one for not moving over to the left lane early enough. And just so you guys know, Quezlet Road, which is this road at the moment, it's 40 miles an hour all the way until you go past the Asda. In fact, it's 40 miles an hour until you get towards Scott Arms, which that's where the speed limit will change. So that's a little thing to remember as well. And remember that the examiner did tell the pupil that he's following the sign to West Bromwich. And we can see that sign there where the marking split from two lanes to four. West Bromwich is actually straight ahead, third exit. Now, have a look and tell me what do you think about the pupil's action here. So he's meant to go straight ahead third exit. Okay, so which lane is he using? So we can see from the marking he chose the right lane that says right only. So what should he have done? So here you can see he indeed went to West Bromwich, which is straight ahead third exit, but he did it from an incorrect lane. He should not have been in the right lane because that is for right only. Now, since he was in the right lane, what should he have done? That's it, exactly. Turn right. He should have taken the fourth exit instead, and he would have been absolutely fine. But he used the wrong lane. Now, at this point, the examiner will change the independent driving and ask the pupil to follow the sign to Perry Bar, which is left. So Perry Bar, you can see it there, and it's left. Now, going back to what we mentioned earlier. Now, he should have just turned right. Uh, look, it happens. It's just one of those things, and I hope that this video will help you guys so you guys don't make the same mistake. If you are in the right lane that says right only, it doesn't matter what the examiner says. Please, I am asking you guys, please turn right. And we're taking the next road onto the left, please. So the next road on the left. And at the roundabout, we're turning right, taking the second exit, please. And I'd like you to park on the right for me, please. So shortly, I'd like you to park on the right in a safe place, please. Okay, brilliant. And this is where I'd like you to reverse up to 2 cars length for me, please. Reverse up to 2 cars length. And also, this is a little trick that I noticed that's always work as well. So to measure 2 cars length, first look over your right shoulder, see where the back of the car is coming, and when you reverse and the front of your car gets to that same spot, that's 1 car length. And then you look again, and then you reverse again, and when your front gets to the next spot, that's 2 cars length. That's a good little trick as well. Thank you, and drive on when ready, please. And take the next road on the right, please. End of the road, we're turning left, please. End of the road, we're turning right, please. The next road on the left, please. Runabout, we're going to be turning left, please. And I'd like you to park on the left in a safe place for me, please. And drive on when ready, please. And we're taking the next road on the right, please. And shortly we're going to be turning left into the test center, please. So again, please guys, when you're coming into this test center, please use first gear. It doesn't matter if you're turning left into the test center or right into the test center. My advice will always be slow down and go into first gear. That is the best thing to do.